Hello everyone! Welcome back to the TaxTron channel. Meet Lisa, a small business owner, who's preparing her T2 corporate tax return in TaxTron Web. Lisa has entered all of her income and expenses. But when she reviews her return, her G100 balance sheet shows not balanced. She's wondering, I have entered everything. So why is my balance sheet still not balancing? If you've run into the same issue, don't worry. Let's walk through Lisa's return and find out what she missed. First, we will review the income statement. Let's look at Lisa's income statement. She reported business income, $10,000, business expenses, $1,000. This gives her a net income of $9,000. Everything looks correct here. Secondly, we will review the balance sheet. Lisa entered cash and deposits of $8,000. At first glance, she thinks everything is complete, but let's compare her balance sheet with her financial information. Her company earned $9,000 in net income, yet her total assets are only $8,000. That means $1,000 is missing somewhere on the balance sheet. Now let's check the balance sheet review page. Remember, the balance sheet follows this equation. Assets equal to liabilities plus shareholder equity. Lisa reviews the balance sheet and finds the issue. She entered her cash balance correctly, but she missed entering due from shareholders, $1,000 under assets. Because this amount was missing, her total assets were incorrect, causing the G100 balance sheet to show not balanced. Lisa adds the missing $1,000 due from shareholders amount, saves the return, and checks the G100 again. This time, the balance sheet is perfectly balanced. The issue wasn't with her income or expenses, it was simply a missing balance sheet entry. So if your G100 balance sheet shows not balanced, don't assume your calculations are wrong. Start by reviewing your assets, your liabilities, your shareholder equity, and the balance sheet review page for any missing amounts. A small missing entry, like Lisa's due from shareholders of $1,000, can cause the entire balance sheet to become unbalanced. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.